Hello, dear Virgos. Very good morning to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot. Thank you so much for tuning in. So, this is a general love reading from 1st of June till 10th of June. So, keep in mind this might or might not resonate with you. It is not everyone's story, okay? Let's start. Virgos, your partner's current energy right now is. Let's see, Virgos. Eight of Wands. I feel like you could be in a long distance relationship with each other. This is for some of you. For some of you, there is need of communication. There is proper a dire need of communication in this connection, and they want to communicate with you. They want to have back and forth communication with you. There is misunderstanding, miscommunication in this connection, and they want to sort out these. Okay, let's clarify further. We will get more insight about what they feel, what they carry right now, the energy that they are carrying right now. Let's clarify the Eight of Wands. Five of Pentacles, the Four of Swords, and the Page of Swords. Yes, I feel like this person felt like you left them in the cold, or you left them hanging on the wall or something like that. Okay, and they were in this meditative phase. They were holding back from a very long time, and now they're spying on you. Okay, that it is not like spying on you is like they are doing any kind of crime or anything. It is like they are keeping tabs on you, whether you are okay, whether you are doing fine in your life or not, whether you are happy or not. So I feel like now, because the breakup shit happened in the past, because the miscommunication was there, because there was something that was not resolved in the past, they want to communicate with you. Okay, this is the energy. This is the energy that they are carrying right now. They want to communicate. They want to have back and forth communication. They want to remove the miscommunication and misunderstandings from this connection. Okay, let's see your current energy, Virgos. Your current energy right now is Virgos. Your current energy right now is Your current energy right now is Three of Swords. Virgos, you're deeply heartbroken. You're deeply hurt by something that happened, okay? You are not in this happy zone right now. You are in this energy of, might be you are heartbroken from a very long time, might be 2-3 months or something like that. You are trying to heal from this situation. You are trying to heal from this heartbreak, from this discontent, dissatisfaction, whatever happened. You are this breakup thing, made you completely shattered, made you completely heartbroken. Yes, I can see it. I can feel it. Let's clarify the Three of Swords, Virgos. That is why I feel like there's some kind of misunderstanding, some kind of miscommunication, and that broke your heart. Let's clarify the Three of Swords further. The Two of Pentacles, the Hermit, and the Queen of Pentacles. I feel like you were very confused in the past, okay? So I feel like you were very confused in the past, might be between two people, and you felt like you should seek the answers from within. You should go inside rather than talking to people outside and making any kind of judgment or anything about you. Okay, and then you came to this self care, self healing mode. Okay, this is the story behind this heartbreak. So there was some kind of confusion going on in your energy, in your aura, and you tried your best to seek answers from within, asking your heart what you need exactly. And then you came in this self healing, self love, self care mode. Okay, this is the thing. This is the thing that is, I feel like that is right now you are in this heartbroken energy, and you are trying to self heal, self love, self care. You are trying to be as mature as possible, as practical as possible, as Ardi is like practicality only, and being on the ground to just find the answers. This is what you are trying to do right now, Virgos. Let's see. Okay, Virgos, let's see what this person feels for you. What this person feels for you, Virgos. Let's see. Eight of Pentacles. So I feel like this person wants to communicate with you. They feel like there's still hope left in this connection. They want to put in the energy, put in the effort, put in the work from their side in this connection. From their side, they are ready to have a beginning in this connection, to start all over in this connection. Let's clarify what they are working on, what they feel like working on. Let's clarify, Virgos. The Nine of Pentacles, the Seven of Wands, and the Page of Pentacles. So I feel like this person might be, this person is working, this person is feeling like they should be financially stable. Okay, the clarification changed everything. So they feel like they should be emotional, they should be financially stable. Right now they are acting defensive because towards this connection, towards you in particular. Right now maybe they are feeling like this is not the right time, this is the right time to act little mature, and this is the right time to stand their own ground and work on their finances first. So I feel like this person is busy doing their financial finances right, working on their finances, working on their business, and they want to start a project, they want to start something in their life, business related, money related. Right now they are feeling like money is most important thing right now, and they want to focus on their business, focus on their money, focus on their financial stability. This is what they are feeling right now. See, the clarification thing changed everything. So let's see what this particular person wants from you, Virgos. What this particular person wants from you. Four of Swords. This person wants you to go in a healing mode. This person wants you to be a little stable in your life, a little mature in your life. This person feels like, yes, you are heartbroken, but you should start your life all over again. This person wants happiness. This person wants you to be happy in your own life right now. This is what they want from you. To go in the meditation phase, to tap into your spirituality and tap into your inner side. Let's clarify the Four of Swords as what they want. Seven of Pentacles, the World, and the King of Wands. Yes. So I feel like this person felt like they have waited for a long time. They have waited for so long for something to happen, and they were waiting for things to this. They were waiting for this unfinished business to be resolved, and they feel like you are a very very passionate person. Okay, they feel like they are very very passionate about this connection. Okay, they are just waiting for the right time. This is the correct thing. So I feel like this, they are just waiting for the right time. Till they are waiting for the right time, they want you to be determined, silent, a little in meditative phase, to be mature, to be calm, and to be relaxed. This is what they want from you. They want you to relax. They want you to calm down. They want you to be at peace with yourself. Let's see what is coming towards you or what to expect from this person till 10th of June. Let's see, Virgos. Nine of Swords. So I feel like this person will be in this anxious state of mind. They will not be able to sleep. Although this person wants to communicate with you, this is their current energy. They want to communicate with you, but I feel like this person is not coming towards you till 10th of June in in that energy of healing the miscommunication, healing this connection, because they are themselves very very stressed about something. They are very very anxious, stressed, or what should I say, insomniac. There's something that is making them anxious and making them very very stressed. And what to expect from this person till 10th of June? Anxiousness, tension, insomniac energy. Let's clarify further. Nine of Swords. This reading is very very important, Virgos. I feel like that. Knight of Cups, the Sun, the death. So yeah, this person feels like this connection was very very beautiful. There was happiness in this connection, but it suddenly broke up, or this connection no longer holds the same energy of reconciliation or something like that. They are fearing the things that didn't happen. They that are not going to happen might be okay. So I feel like this person right now is in this zone of fear and anxiousness and stress, because they feel like the relationship is over. It is never going to be the same again. Okay, so right now they are not in this zone of reconciliation or being in a happy relationship with you. But yes, they want, what they want from you is like they want you to be happy, they want you to be stable and at peace with yourself. This is what they want. This is beautiful energy. Okay, right now they are focusing on their money, on their business. They are trying to keep themselves busy because they are stressed about you. This is the exact word. This is the exact feeling that they are carrying for you right now. Okay, so thank you so much, Virgos, for tuning in. This is Anjali Tarot. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let me know in the comment section below if you like this reading. So God bless you. Namaste.